Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Right, so we're looking at Standard of Excellence, and we're looking at page 15, starting with 56, where we're working on the slurs. The first time I did one of these, I feel that the tempo I was doing at was probably a bit quicker than newer players would be used to. So I'm going to take this song, warm up, at a tempo of 72. That curved line between the notes is called a slur. When you do that, you're going to use 2 for your first note, and then do for your second note to get that smooth sound. A lot of instruments, if I were to play this on my baritone or trumpet, I would do those notes and not use my tongue. But if I don't use my tongue on trombone, I get you get that smeary sound. So we try to avoid that by using our tonguing. And here we go with our warm-up song. For this tempo and now, I did use a lip slur for my C to B flat. I kind of popped between the partials and that. That's a perfectly valid way to do your slurs. But that doesn't work so well when you're going out instead of kind of slipping in. It's called against the grain. Or a D to B flat. So you'll be able to recognize those as they pop up a little bit more. And let's hop on to 57. Right, and so we're looking at Brahms here. My first year teaching 4th and 5th graders, we did this at a concert. As easy as the song seems, it was good. Got it to work, but it was tricky, especially with that pickup, the 1, 2, coming on that 4. And 1, 2. That's weird. All right, so we're going to take that same tune, but we're going to kick it up to 80. Smooth, air, steady, tempo, 1, 2. All right, that's working better. And moving on. All right, so we're working at Erie Canal capers here. and you're going to have a bit of a minor sound. That minor sound is where we have the C's and the E flats. It's not written as C minor, but it is technically in C minor. We have not done a lot of key signature stuff yet with this particular book. And here we go. 1, 2. All right, and moving on to, it's like 59. Is that Laughing Song? Oh. Well, yep, Laughing Song is correct. All right, here we are on Laughing Song. This is a round. I start at the beginning. When I get to the number 2, someone else comes in at the beginning while I continue on, and we have our parts build upon each other. Right, so here we go with Star Search. Now, issue with Star Search is that you are missing notes. All the notes and pitches that you need are given to you in this selection. They just kind of mix it up a little bit. So this is what it sounds like if you were to play it as it's written. Now, with the pitches you need in there, and I think my timing may have been off a little bit, but I'll check that a little bit later, you get. And you'll jump now to 61. Go for excellence. Bum, ba, 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 da. Keeping it nice and slow. And here we go, this tempo. 1, 2, 3. Thanks for watching. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.